children, so we have completed our 2 chapters. Hope all of you studied it and do every words. Okay, now we are going to study our 3rd chapter, that is parts of plant. Parts of plants. Let us start. You have already studied in 2nd standard that the parts of plant. Which are the parts of plant? Plants have stem, roots, leaves, branches, flowers, buds, fruits, etc. These are the main parts of a plant. You have already studied in 2nd standard, right? Okay? Then let me ask you, some part of plant are above the soil and some are below. Alle? Korchu part soil the mugallum, korchu part soil the thaniyalle. Then the part which is grown above the soil are called shoot. What is? Shoot. And the part which is grown below the soil is called root. What is that? Root. In shoot part, there are many other things. Which are they? Flowers, buds, fruits, leaves, branches, etc. These are found in shoot. Okay? See this. The part above the soil is shoot system, so shoot, and below the soil is root. So, next we can study the function and types of root in details. The part below the soil is called root, and there are 2 types of roots, that is taperoot and fibrous root. First, we can study what is taperoot. Taperoot. See this. Have you seen? One main stem is coming from stem. One main stem is connected to, one main root is connected to stem, and so many small roots are arising from this main. That is called taproot. Then what about fibrous? Fibrous root. A number of roots are grown from the stem itself, which look like hair. Mudi pole. Number of roots grow from the stem, that is fibrous root. Can you tell me some examples for taperoot? Examples are beans, mustard, balsam, etc. And examples for fibrous root are grass, wheat, rice, onion, etc. Then functions of root. The roots fix the plant to the soil. Soil fix ചെയ്ത് നിൽക്കാൻ plants help ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Who is helping? This roots. Roots are helping to fix the plant in the soil. They help the plants to stand erect in the soil. Soil നേരെ നിൽക്കാനും this roots is helping. But in some cases, in some plants, they have the roots have a store food. They use their root to store food. Example is radish, carrot, turnip, etc. They are taperoots which store food. These plants are storing extra food in this. This food is used by plants itself. We eat the roots of such plants. നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനത്തെ പ്ലാന്റ്സിന്റെ റൂട്ട് കഴിക്കാറുണ്ട്. ക്യാരറ്റും റാഡിഷും ടർണിപ്പും ഒക്കെ. Next is we are going to study about stem. What is the peculiarities of stem? Like that. Okay? The part of plant which is grown above the soil are called stem. Right? The stem of neem tree is hard, strong and woody. This keeps the tree upright. The stem is also called trunk. You have already studied that. The stem of tree is also known as trunk. Banana has green, thick and soft stem. Green, thick and soft stem. The stem of money plant is green, weak and soft. It needs support to stay upright. Money plant in okay, or support illengil, they can't stand upright. They are a climber. Function of stem. The main function of stem is to hold the plant upright and support its branches. Plants in upright, correct ആയിട്ട് നിർത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് stem use ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay? The stem also carries water to the leaves. Leavesiലേക്ക് photosynthesisന് water എത്തിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്നത് ആരാണ്? Stem. The water taken in by the roots travel through the stem to the leaves and to the leaves. Water roots absorb ചെയ്തത് different placeലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്നത് ആരാണ്? Stem. Similarly, the stem carries the food made by the leaves to different part of the plant. ഒരു പ്ലാന്റിലെ ലീഫിൽ ഫുഡ് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അത് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് പാർട്സിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്നത് ആരാണ്? This one. Okay? This stem. In plants like sugarcane, extra food is stored in the stem. Stemമിലാണ് sugarcaneലെ extra food store ചെയ്തത്. That's why it's sweet. And in plants like potato and ginger, the stem grows below the ground. ഗ്രൗണ്ടിന് താഴെയാണ് സ്റ്റെം ഉണ്ടാവുക. And stores extra food. This ginger and potato are storing extra food. That's why we eat the stem of sugarcane, potato and ginger. That's why we are eating ginger, potato and sugarcane. We are going to study about leaves. As you all know, leaves are the most important part of plant. Why? Because leaves are producing food. Leaves are food prepare with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight in the presence of carbon dioxide and water use leaves are preparing their own food. Most living plants are green. They have green leaves. The flat and broad part of leaves are called lamina or leaf blade. The green part of leaf, the flat and broad part, that is lamina or leaf blade. The middle of the leaf is the main vein. Leaf in the middle is main vein. The number of side veins branched out from the main vein. Main vein there are so many side veins. These veins carry water to the leaves. The leaf is attached to the branches. The leaf is attached to the branch by stalk. Or stalkiludeyana leaf branch attach cheyyunnathu. And the functions of leaves. Leaves plays an important role in plant. A plant, like all other living organisms, need food to live, right? A green leaf makes their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight, and this process is called photosynthesis. That's why a leaf is called kitchen or the food factory of plant. Kitchen food factory nokke leaf ne parayunnathu idukondana. Why? Because they are making food for their own with the help of air, water and sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. That is very important, in the presence of chlorophyll. The food made by the leaves is sent to all part of the body through the stem. Stem will carry each food prepared by the leaves. In some plants such as cabbage, spinach and lettuce, the leaves store extra food. In case of spinach, cabbage, lettuce, they store extra food in fruits. That's why we eat leaves of such plant. That's why we are eating leaves of such plant. Next is flowers. The flowers are the most beautiful part of plant. See how beautiful are these? Rose, sunflower, bougainvillea. Did you know the names of flowers in your garden? Did you know one thing, that all the flowers, mostly all the flowers grows into fruit. Fruit ആയിട്ട് മാറുന്നത് flowers ആണെന്ന് അറിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്? That's why farmers feel happy when he sees flowers on its mango trees. Mango trees flowers കാണുമ്പോൾ farmersനൊക്കെ happy ആയിട്ട് നിൽക്കാൻ കാരണം ഇതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. Okay? Mostly the fruits are grown from flowers. He knows that these flowers will turn into fruits. A younger flower is called a bud. Small flower is called bud. You can see the transformation of flower to fruit. Flower fruit like മാറിയതാണിത്. Okay? Then fruits and seeds. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have only one seed and some others have many seeds. Example for that is papaya. The fruits which have many seeds. Which have only one seed is mango. Okay? Most plants grow from seeds. Most new plants grow from seeds. Seeds are usually protected inside the fruit. Usually seeds are inside the fruit, but in some cases there are seeds which are seen outside the fruit. There is a baby plant and its food inside the seed of mother plant. Mother plant in the seed or a baby plant, mother plant in the fruit you can see seed. In that seed there will be a baby plant. When the seed gets enough air, water and warmth, the baby plants start growing. Proper ആയിട്ട് എയറും വാട്ടറും സൺലൈറ്റും ഒക്കെ കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ the baby plants will start growing. It grows till it is fully grown plant. It grows still it is a fully grown plant. ഒരു full ആയിട്ടുള്ള plant ആവുന്നവരെ ഇത് grow ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. Okay, by this we have completed the third chapter. In this chapter we discussed about root, shoot, different types of root, stem and parts on roots, that are flowers, fruits, seeds, etc. Hope all of you understood the portion. If you have any doubt regarding this portion, you can ask me. Thank you.